subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Tecno Spark 10 5G back in April this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in Philippines with quite premium looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Spark 10 4G features a tall 6.6-inch HD+ IPS display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone supports a dual camera setup and a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera along with the unspecified secondary lens. The phone comes powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR G8020 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. The device comes equipped by massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with iOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.9 by 75.4 by 8.4mm. So now let's see the pricing details of the smartphone. The Tecno Spark 10 4G has been priced in Philippines at 4,999 Philippine pesos. And it will be available for purchase in the country in Meta Black, Meta Blue, and Meta White color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Spark 10 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.